Every now and then we find a special friend who never lets us down, who understands it all, reaches out each time we fall. You're the best friend that I found. I know you can't stay, but part of you will never ever go away. Your heart will stay. I'll make a wish for you and hope it will come true, that life will just be kind to such a gentle man. If you lose your way, think back on yesterday, remember me this way.
I'm in the wrong time. Flies when you're having fun. You wake up, another year is gone. You're 21. I guess you wanna know why I'm on the phone. It's been a day or so. Kinda late, but happy birthday. Yeah, yeah, oh. I know you hate me. Yeah, yeah, oh. Well, I miss you too. Yeah, yeah, I know it's kinda late, but happy birthday. So hard when you're far away. I forgot the date. I won't make the same mistake. I'm so to blame. So now you know. Don't hang up the phone. I wish I was at home. I know it's way too late, but happy birthday. Yeah, yeah, oh. I know you hate me. Yeah, yeah, oh. Well, I miss you too. Yeah, yeah, I know it's kinda late, but happy birthday. It's not that I don't care. You know I'll make it up to you. If I could, I'd be there. Yeah, yeah, whoa. Yeah, yeah, whoa. Well, I miss you too. Yeah, yeah, I know it's kinda late, but happy birthday. Yeah, yeah, whoa. I know you hate me.
Brother Nero, mula sa mga may tungkulin mo sa apisan ng Kadiwa, binabati ka namin na Happy Birthday!
Happy birthday!